Space is the final frontier. But have you thought about how life would be different in outer space? Well, unless you've read this article for an SAT passage, then the answer is a no. My name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 1, number 46, which reads, what function does the discussion of water in lines 35 to 41 serve in passage 1? So if it's talking about function, you do need to get context. What you're likely to do here is go back, read 35 to 40 if you don't know that you have to get context. And then when you see the answer choices, notice all the answer choices say previous paragraph, previous paragraph, previous paragraph. So it looks like we have to take this in the context of the previous paragraph. Let's check it out. So here's 35 to 40 right here. And here is the previous paragraph. In this scenario, in what scenario? So it's talking about building an off-planet economy. In this scenario, water mined from other worlds could become the most desired commodity. In the desert, what's worth more, a kilogram of gold or a kilogram of water? Asked Chris Stackney of Honeybee Robotics in New York. Gold is useless. Water will let you live. And of course, he's talking about space. If you have no water in outer space, you're dead. If you have a bunch of gold in outer space, who cares? Because you're dead. But if you've got water, you're good. And then you can make it back down and then try to make your money then. 35. Water ice from the moon's poles could be sent to astronauts at the International Space Station for drinking water or as a radiation shield. Splitting water into oxygen and hydrogen makes spacecraft fuel. So ice-rich asteroids could become interplanetary refueling stations. So it's talking in the first paragraph about the importance of water in outer space. And then in this paragraph that starts in line 35, we're going on to see how we're going to secure that water. And we take that with us to the answer choices and we see. So the function that discussion of water in 35 to 40 serves in passage 1. A, it continues an extended comparison that begins in the previous paragraph. The extended comparison is the desert, talking about the desert, comparing it to outer space, but there's no mention of the desert in lines 35 to 40. It provides an unexpected answer to a question raised in the previous paragraph. The question is, what's more important in outer space, gold or water? But in the first paragraph before 35 to 40, the question's answered. They say water will let you live. Answer choice C. It offers a hypothetical example supporting the claim made in the previous paragraph. So hypothetical would be based on a made-up situation. So that looks like it could be our answer. Why? Because they're saying, hey, these are the things that we could do to get water. And in answer choice D, it examines possible outcomes for a proposal put forth in the previous paragraph. So the previous paragraph is just telling about the importance of water. And to say a possible outcome of a proposal, there's really no proposal. So your correct answer here is C. It offers hypothetical examples supporting a claim made in the previous paragraph. And of course, you at home, you could refer back to, I know I wasn't referring back to the passage, but you could refer back and forth to see what I say is true. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with line reference questions, purpose questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day. Thank you, children.